This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your purchased games on the store using your Xbox Series X. So maybe you bought something through the store and you can't quite see it. What you actually want to do is go on back to the home screen right here. Then we can go to My Games and Apps, go to See All, scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says Full Library. Then go to the right. And then go up to the top and go to Own Games. So if you bought something through the store, this is going to be attached to your account. So it may not be downloaded yet. So here's Modern Warfare. This isn't downloaded on my console, but it's linked to my account, so I can go ahead and install that. Here is Halo 5 Guardians. I want to go ahead and play this. So I'm going to go to Install. So I bought this through the Microsoft Store at some point, delete it off my Xbox, and I can come back to this section and then re-download. So you might be under where it says games right here. This is just games on your Xbox Series X that are downloaded. So I can see everything on my Xbox that are ready and I can play. Like Castlevania, I should go ahead and give that a try. So if you bought something through the store and you can't find it, make sure you go to the full game library. And you should be able to find it under there. Otherwise, you can just come to the store and you can try searching for the game. So we can do like Call of Duty 4 or something like that. If it pops up, and it will tell us that we own the game. So here is Call of Duty something. Let's go on over to it, and it will say owned. So I can't find it under here, but it's going to say owned when you go to the game specifically. So I don't think I bought any Call of Duties other than Modern Warfare, but it says Warzone is owned right there, so I know I have it linked to my account, and I can go ahead and just download it very easily now. So either find it in your library or come to the store and specifically search for the game if you're curious. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Tech Help videos coming up next on Your Six Gaming.